Okay, hello everybody. We're so happy to be here today with you, and I also have my daughter Ruby here. She is a rising senior at Jamestown High School and she loves cooking. And in fact, this one pot pasta recipe that we're going to do today, I found it through her. She used to make this all the time, and still does actually. And you make it in just one pot. It's super easy. Let's talk about ingredients. So we have pasta. We're using a whole wheat pasta and it's a spaghetti. Spaghetti is good for this because it cooks up pretty fast in the pan, but any pasta will work and it doesn't have to be whole wheat. Tomato sauce, vegetables. We're going to use 2 or 3 cups of vegetables. So we've got some kale here, some olives, some onion and garlic, a little bit of salt and pepper. And then at the end, we're going to add some cheese. Lots of different types of cheese will work. We're going to use string cheese today because that's super easy. Okay, well, let's go ahead and get started. The first step is to just boil some water. We're just going to boil this water in this tea kettle here just to warm it up. It doesn't matter exactly how much. Just put a couple of cups of water, fill it halfway, and get some water boiling. The next step is open up your pasta. This is a tricky step, but don't worry, you can't really mess it up too much. You want to pull out enough for just 1 serving, and that's about 1/8 of a box. You're just going to take out 1 serving. So this one isn't going to fit in this pan, so we're just going to break it and put it in. Now that's kind of strange, right? Normally we would put spaghetti into water in a pan, but we've actually just put this spaghetti into a dry pan because that's how easy this recipe is. Okay, next up is prepare the veggies. So, okay, and then we're going to do 3 cups of veggies. We can do 2 to 3 cups. So we're going to put some of this kale, mash it into this cup measure, and throw it right on top of that dry pasta.
Also, the kale will wilt down, so it may look large now, but it will be practically nothing by the end of this.
Right. And then what we decided to do for our 3rd cup is some of these olives, just to add to something different. So we're doing a cup of olives too. Okay, so now we have 3 cups of veggies into this dish. And next up is going to be the onion. Great. That's very great, yeah. And I think that's going to be about 2 tablespoons right there. So we'll just throw that right in. We're going to go ahead and add a little bit of garlic. Now we're going to add some kind of tomato. We decided we'd go with tomato sauce today. So we're looking at about 1/4 cup. So a shake of salt. And a little bit of pepper. Oh, herbs. Herbs. Some herbs are nice and optional, but nice. We're going to use a little bit of dried Italian seasoning and some of this rosemary. So the next step, now that you have everything chopped in the pan, is add 1 cup of really hot water. And then we're going to go ahead, we're just going to get ours started. We're going to turn it on to high.
Just until it starts boiling.
Yep, and we're going to stir continuously here to make sure that the pasta doesn't get clumpy. Now, what we do is we are just going to stir this pretty much continuously for 10 minutes. So once you see that yours is starting to boil so that you can see some little bubbles happening, ours is almost about to start boiling. Then we're going to set our timer for 10 minutes. And we're going to pretty much stir the whole time. Now that it's boiling vigorously, we're going to turn it down to medium high. Give 10 more seconds, then we get to test it and see if it's al dente. So let's see, we're going to pull out a few little strands. The only way to really know is if you try it. We'll pull a few strands out and we'll put them on the golden spool, and then we'll just try it. Ours is still a little chewy.
Yes, I got another.
Let's put it on, let's give it a little bit more water. Should we put it on for 1 more minute? Good? All right, keep stirring. All right, have we gone another minute? We should give it another try. Okay, let's see if it's done yet. All right. So let them cool on the plate. Try it. I think it's done. Okay, it's done. All right, so now that it's completely off the heat, we are going to add our cheese. Okay, there we go. There's my 1/4 cup of cheese. And then you just stir that in and let your cheese melt into the dish. And basically that's it. After it melts, you're done. You get to eat your delicious lunch.
Very good.
Yeah. You can literally do this in one pot. You can take a 1 cup of water out of the faucet and put it in and just wait a little longer to get things boiling. So it doesn't get much simpler than this, and it makes a delicious meal that you could actually serve to your whole family. It's that good. I think I might have made a little more than 1 serving, but then again, maybe I could eat this whole thing.